What's up guys, it's Andrew with 102 Ironworks Trailer Manufacturing, and today I wanted to show you our Challenger series trailer and our Eliminator series trailer. The Challenger series, it can come in a split tail or it can come with a straight. The split tail, the benefits are when you're pulling a lowered car on there, you can clear the cross member on the transmission on the vehicle so it doesn't hang up on the back of the trailer. Another benefit from it is when it's hot in the summertime, you don't have to lay on your back on the trailer to go around the rear end of the car to strap it down. You can get down there, strap it very easy. It's a very good bonus. So we can do up to 8 floor lights on the trailer. Most people do 3 standard, but normally when we do 8, we'll do 2, 2, 2, 2 down the center, or we can match them with the D-rings depending on how many D-rings. We can do as many D-rings as y'all want on there. We can do 2-tone paint jobs. So this one's black deck. A lot of people do black deck, so it doesn't show very well whenever you're leaking oil or different things or scratching it up. And then we got the 2-tone on the side. We got electric blue. It's got the custom mag wheels. These are actually for one of our dealers. These are all about to be stacked. That's why some of these are missing tires. This one's the bottom trailer. It has mag wheels. It's got a spare tire mount. It's got this one's a 6-lug, so we went with a adjustable 2 5/16 coupler. You can take the coupler off so no one can steal your trailer, or instead of having a BMW drop hitch, you can level your load out. Up here is the toggle switch to the floor lights. Those are ran off your running lights, so anytime your running lights are on and you flip that on at night, they'll come on. Safety breakaway kit. And then also right here we have a winch mount. We also do receiver winch mount, and I'll show you on this trailer over here. It's a receiver bolted to the winch, and you can drop it in there, lock it so no one can steal it. We also do easy track. We do removable fenders. We can do basically custom paint jobs. If you give us a color code, we can match it. We have over 20 plus dealers around the United States. If you look on our website, you can find our dealer contact, or you can message us direct and we'll send you straight to our dealers. This one is an Eliminator. I believe it's a 6-lug. Yep, that one's an Eliminator 6-lug. This one over here is a 5-lug. This is our #1 seller right now when it comes to 2-tone paint jobs. They do the black trim, black deck, white frame. Some people do it with black fenders. My favorite thing is this, but a chrome package, and then with the chrome rock guard. There's a ton of add-ons that we do. If you look on our website, you'll be able to see all the add-ons. We can do in-floor toolboxes, where there's a toolbox mounted in the floor up here. You can do double removable fenders on each side. So if you see a trailer like this, because it has the tongue brace, most of the time our dealers put their own tongue boxes on, or we'll put them on here as well. So all these trailers are being sent out together. Here's the silver combo. This one's a 6-lug as well. You can get custom mag wheels like these over here. This is for our 5 lugs. And then also we do them for the 6 and 8 lugs. We do powered tilts as well. Walk around these. This one has a removable fender as well. Each removable fender also comes with these lights on the clearance lights on the fenders, so people can see you at night, but you can also disconnect your quick connect right there to be able to remove the fender. There's one on each side. We've been so busy, we have not been able to make any YouTube videos, but I'd love people to see our product around the world. I would say in the United States we have the cleanest product. This thing is literally filed down to nothing before we paint. To get a good paint job, we literally, it all depends on our prep, and our prep does a very, very well job. Our welders, most of them been here about 15 plus years. A lot of them take pride in what they do. They love doing what they're doing. But we have a very, very strong reputation in the classic car drag racing community. We've done a custom build for country singer Riley Green this year. We've done a bunch for Street Outlaws. One of our dealers did a giveaway with Cletus. The trailer's included in there as well. He's giving away a truck, trailer, and a car on the trailer. But if y'all have any questions, feel free to reach out or comment. Thank y'all. This is a custom trailer built for Central Trailers in Broken Arrow. It's one of our dealers. Please feel free to order trailers through him. He can get you hooked up. This is a custom build. This is a full hydraulic tilt. It's got 8 D-rings, 4 floor lights ran by a toggle switch, LED clear lights, silver in color, all the trim is black. It's got the blacked out package. He's actually getting a rock guard on the front as well. Spare tire mount. And then that looks like a winch plate, but that's actually a solar panel charger that charges the battery that runs the electric jack and the hydraulic system. It's got 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. Toggle switch is located right here on the side. Easy shut off. Then you'll unpin it here, latch it back, come over here to your wired remote. This also comes with the wireless remote as well. Everything's professionally done underneath, no wires exposed. Battery box, close it back. Easy latch. It's got an electric jack on the front. It's got an LED light mounted underneath so at night you can see. We appreciate your business, Central Trailers, and we hope this customer loves this trailer. Thanks, guys.